Have you been looking for a city compact sedan with a full hatch? Take a look at this 2019 Fiat 500X Pop in Bianco Gelato. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, exterior mirrors with heated element, 18-inch black aluminum wheels, chrome surround molding, LED tail lamps, manual 6-way adjustable driver's seat, premium wrapped steering wheel, black instrument panel, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, Beats premium audio system, dual-pane power sunroof, reversible height adjust load floor, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5431.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.